Hello, Slaters. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Children, we have already started our first chapter in Maths, that is, large numbers. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.1 from our reader. The first bit here is write the numbers in words. The number is 8895790. Look, children, this is a 7-digit number. Now try to read this number. Hope you find it little difficult. In our previous class, we discussed how the use of commas help us in reading and writing the number. Let us place comma according to Indian place value chart. First, we place commas after 3 digits from the right. Thereafter, every 2 digits. Look, children, in 8895790, the 3 digits from the right are 790. That is ones period. Next 2 digits are 95. That is thousand period. And the next 2 digits are 88. That is lakh period. Now the number is separated by a comma. When the digits are separated by a comma, they are read together along with its period. 88 is read as 88 lakh. 95 is read as 95,000. 790 is read as 790. Now let us write in words. 88 lakh 95,790. Now our next question is 945807819. Look, children, this is a 9-digit number. Now let us place comma according to Indian place value chart. So the first comma has to be placed after 3 digits from the right. That is 819 is ones period. The next 2 digits are 07. That is thousand period. Next 2 digits are 58. That is lakh period. Next 2 digits are 94. Crore period. Now let us read this number. 94 crore 58 lakh 7,819. Okay. The next question is 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 0, 0, 0. Children, this is a 8-digit number. Now how to write in words? Yes, first comma has to be placed after 3 digits from the right. So the 3 digits from the right are 0, 0, 0. That is ones period. Next 2 digits are 4, 1. That is thousand period. The next 2 digits are 4, 5. That is lakh period. Next digit is 3. That is crore period. Now let us write in words. 3 crore 45 lakh 41,000. Now the next number is 34812,115. Now try to read this number, children. The last 3 digits from the right are 115. That is ones period. The next 2 digits are 1, 2. That is thousand period. The next 2 digits are 4, 8. That is lakh period. And the next digit is 3. That is crore. Now let us write in words. It is 3 crore 48 lakh 12,115. Hope children you have all understood it. Our next bit is write the numbers and mark the period with commas. The first question here is 35 lakh 5,213. Children, when we read the number, we understand that the highest period here is lakh. So, let us write the places. Remember children, whenever you are writing the places, always start from right to left. That is from units place. Write units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now let us see the question. The question is 35 lakh. So write 3 in 10 lakh place, 5 in lakh place. Next 5,000 is given. There is no digit in 10,000 place. So write 0 in 10,000 place and 5 in 1000 place. Next 213 is given. So write 2 in 100 place, 1 in tens place and 3 in units place. Now children, we have to place commas according to period. We have already learned how to place commas according to the periods. Yes, the first comma has to be placed after 3 digit from the right. Next comma after 2 digit. The 3 digit from the right are 213. That is ones period. Next comma after 2 digits. That is 05. 1000 period. Next comma after 2 digit. 35. That is lakh period. Let us move on to our next bit. It is 12 crore 12 lakh 2,403. Children, can you say which is the highest period here? Yes, the highest period here is crore. Let us write the places starting from units place. Now write units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. In this question, how many crores are there? 12. Write 1 in 10 crore place, 2 in crore place. Next, 12 lakh is given. So write 1 in 10 lakh place, 2 in lakh place. Next, 2000 is given. There is no digit in 10,000. So what we have to write? We have to write 0 in 10,000 place and 2 in 1000 place. Next 403 is given. So we have to write 4 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 3 in units place. Hope you all understood this. Now in this bit we learned how to write the numbers and how to place the commas. Children, let us move on to our next bit, C bit. Write the numbers in the Indian place value chart. The first question is 18 lakh 500. In the question, the highest period is lakh. Remember children, whenever we are writing the number, always we have to write the places first. That means we should start writing from units place. Write units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. In the question, 18 lakh is given. So how to write 18 lakh? Yes, 1 in 10 lakh place and 18 lakh place. Next, 500 is given. So write 5 in hundreds place. Now the remaining places are vacant. Now what we have to write in vacant places? Yes, we have to fill the vacant places with 0. Now read the number. It is 18 lakh 500. Let us try the next sum. The question is 6 crore 6 lakh. In this question, what is the highest period? Yes, the highest period here is crore. And how to write the number? First step is we have to write the places starting from units place. So write units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now see the question. It is 6 crore 6 lakh. That means we should write 6 in crore place, another 6 in lakh place. Now the remaining places are vacant. Now how to fill the vacant places? Yes, we have to write 0 in the vacant places. After that, read the number. So the number is 6 crore 6 lakh. Now children, in this bit you have learned how to write the numbers when few places are vacant. Children, let us start the next bit, D bit. Mark the period with commas and also write number name. The first number is 6016243. Children, this is a 7-digit number. We have already learned how to mark the period with commas. Yes, letters. The first comma should be placed after 3 digits starting from the right and next commas after every 2 digits. In this question, 3 digits from the right are 2, 4, 3. That is ones period. Next 2 digits are 1, 6. That is thousand period. And the next 2 digits are 6, 0. That is lakh period. Let us read the number along with its period. It is 60 lakh 16,243. Now let us write the number name. How to write the number name, children? Yes, how we read the number? In the same way we are going to write the number name. It is 60 lakh 16,243. Let us see the next number. It is 79,500,8740. Look children, this is a 9-digit number. What is the first step? Yes, the first step is we have to mark the period with commas. And the first comma should be placed after 3 digits from the right. The 3 digits from the right are 740. That is ones period. Next 2 digits are 08. That is thousand period. Next 2 digits are 50. That is lakh period. And the next 2 digits are 79. It is crore period. Let us read the number along with its period. It is 79 crore 50 lakh 8,740. Now writes it number name. So the number name for this is 79 crore 50 lakh 8,740. Next number is 90,400,1120. Now children, try to place commas according to its period. Yes, the first comma should be placed after 3 digits from the right. So the 3 digits from the right are 1, 2, 0. That is ones period. Next 2 digits are 01. That is thousand period. And the next 2 digits are 40, that is lakh period, and the next two digits are 90, that is crore period. Let us read the number along with its period. It is 90 crore, 40 lakh, 1120. Yes, children, in this bit we have learned how to place commas and how to write the number name. Children, let us move on to the next bit. The question is, write the place value of each underlined digit. The number is 14,01,079. What is place value, children? Place value is the value of the digit in its place. Here, the underlined digit is 1. Let us check 1 is in which place. How to check, children? Yes, we have to read the place from right to left. So, start from units place. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. What do you observe, children? That the underlined digit 1 is in 10 lakh place. So, the place value of 1 in 10 lakh place is 10 lakh. Let us see the next number. The next number is 26 crore 9 lakh 12,519. What is the underlined digit here? Yes, the underlined digit is 0. So, what is the place value of 0? Yes, the place value of 0 is always 0, irrespective of its place. Let us see the next question. The next question is 89 crore 56 lakh 58,876. Which is the underlined digit here? Yes, 6 is the underlined digit. So, we have to find the place value of 6. Let us check 6 is in which place. Start from units place. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. What do you observe, children? That 6 is in lakh place. So, the place value of 6 in lakh place is 6 lakh. Hope you all understood how to write the place value of the underlined digit. Slaters, we have completed all the bits from exercise 2.1. Now, few problems are given as homework. Note down the questions in your book and try to solve these problems.